This review is of Whole Foods Market 365 semi-sweet chocolate baking chips. They are parve, so they're safe for Jews. 42% cacao, fair trade certified ingredients. This brand is actually vegan. It doesn't have any animal. Oh wait, it has milk in it. Milk fat. Okay, I missed that. Vegetarian. There is a chocolate chip cookie recipe on here with sesames. Okay, whatever. And sodium free. Nice. All right, so a tablespoon of these has got 4 grams of fat, of which 2.5 are saturated, no trans fats, cholesterol, or sodium, 10 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber, 8 are added sugars, and less than a gram of protein. And here are the ingredients. All right, so let's find out. I'm not really excited about this, not just because of the milk fat, but also because it's only 42% cacao, which is the cacao mass. It's not the butter, it's the powder, or if it's the liqueur, then that's a mixture of the powder and the butter. So yeah, and also it's got a lot of sugar. And a lot of vanilla flavoring. So when it gets down this low, it's just not that good. Especially when they rely heavily on sugar and vanilla like they did with this. In fact, the number 1 ingredient in this is sugar. So mostly I'm getting a mixture of the sugar, the chocolate, and the vanilla. And to me, it's a little, after eating a few of these, it's a bit sickly sweet tasting. I appreciate that they didn't put any sodium in this product. But honestly, this isn't a product I would buy again, just because it's got too much sugar and it just doesn't taste particularly good to me. I'll give it a 4. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.